Alright, what's up you guys? So today we are staying at Planet Hollywood and we are on the 29th floor. We got a basic 1 king bedroom. Our room number is 2959. Let's check it out. It's a pretty nice room. It's very clean. So this is our entrance right here, right away. Then you got this nice wall art right here. Ceiling light. Lighting is not too bad in here. Definitely the bathroom. Very good lighting. You have a nice stand-up shower right here with white tile walls. You have this private toilet room. I love when hotels do this. This is like literally the complete opposite of what the Hard Rock at the Gaslamp in San Diego was doing. That was a horrible bathroom setup. I never want to stay at a hotel like that. So I love when hotels do this. This is cool because while you're taking care of business, someone else could still be here having to do whatever they gotta do. But yeah, so we have a tub right here with some more wall art right here. It's like white tiles. Every single individual piece, like they had to put it in order. That's pretty interesting. And then you got a sink right here. It's very wide. It's not a his and hers obviously, but it's definitely very wide with plenty of space to put your stuff, your belongings. You got a dryer, like a hair dryer right here. Very nice mirror right here. I really like it. It lights up from the sides. Over here you get some like body lotion right here. It looks like some pretty nice stuff. There's a shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, and a facial soap. Most people just use this as hand soap. Then I think right here this might be a connecting room. I'm not even gonna try it. But then right over here you have a very wide desk. I really like this a lot. This is really nice. You got about a 50-inch TV right here. It's not a bad size. You have a desk light right here with a USB connectivity and an AC plug too. And you got a little fridge too for yourself. You got a nice little personal fridge, which I love when hotels do this. It's like you don't even have to ask for it, and you have the temperature dial right here too. And then this is a bedroom area. There's Janet. Then we have a little table right here in case you bring some food. You could sit down and eat here. Maybe even work off of this table, because right away you got some 4 AC plugs right here, which is very nice, right by the table. Then you got some internet connections right there. I don't know if you could actually use that or not, but yeah. And then these chairs right here, they're pretty comfy. Check it out. It's nice. Some pretty comfy. They got like armrests too. It curves around your back. Pretty nice, comfortable chairs. Then as far as the night setup right here for the bed, you got 2 USB ports right here, which is very convenient. And then AC plug right here. The bed right here, let's check it out. It's pretty comfy. It's not too bad. Some more wall art right here. Closet with a Hollywood. No, this isn't Hollywood. This is downtown LA. Yep, this is downtown LA, the US City Bank building. So this is a closet. There's no real closet. It's more like a furniture piece, but there you go. You got a safe right there and then a drawer. So if you want to put something in there. You got a luggage rack, mirror right here so you can check yourself out. It's a basic room, but they actually, in this hotel, they actually give you a lot. Like, you got that table right there, right? Then you have this white desk right here with like a desk light and all that and some connectivity. And then on top of that you get this, a little sofa lounger right here, which is nice, and another table. We got a pretty basic city view room. We asked the guy that helped us check in if he could maybe upgrade us to a strip view on a higher floor, and he did, so thank you. But check out this view. This is a very nice view. The window's a little small, it's a little weak, but I mean it's a pretty nice view on top, like still, so I'm not gonna complain. Check this view out. This is really nice. At night, seeing this at night is gonna look really nice lit up. Then we're able to see the water show right now. It's actually going on right now, so that's really nice. And then down here you can see the pool area. They got like the 2 floor spots right here for games. I don't know what that game's called, but I guess it's when you have like a little sandbag and you gotta throw it over the table with the hole in. I'm not sure what that's called, but they got 2 pools. They got this pool right here and this one. So it's a pool view, a strip view, a Bellagio fountain view, the Eiffel Tower view. This one small window is offering a lot right here. Alright, this hotel is also very convenient. It's one of my favorites because it's connected to the Miracle Mile shops, which is pretty much like this round, like a circular mall with like restaurants, fast food spots like Chipotle, Panda Express, but it also has some very nice restaurants. And then anything else you would pretty much find at a shopping mall. Then it's also connected to the Hilton Grand Vacations Club, well, the Lara Hotel, pretty much that's what it's called. That one's owned by the Hilton, so that's kind of separate, but it's still connected to a Miracle Mile shop, just like this one. So it's really convenient in case you guys forget anything, you guys want to go shopping, you know, you don't even have to step out of the property, just right next to the casino and then you're already shopping. All right, so seeing that pool down there, I really liked it. The pool here at Planet Hollywood is actually really nice. So let's go check it out. Let me show you guys how nice it is. Area is pretty nice. You could even gamble over there too, which is pretty cool. Our room is probably like one of these up here. And they even got lockers. I'm also gonna go grab Janet some food because she's hungry. So let's go. I just got Janet's food. Gotta get it because or else she gets hangry. Got a Earl of Grey sandwiches. It's right by the casino. It's pretty good. You guys should try them out. That pretty much concludes the room review for this hotel. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys checking this video out. If you don't mind hitting the like button, go ahead and comment any like other hotels you guys may want me to check out, even in another city maybe. I like going to San Diego, Palm Springs. We live in Los Angeles and then we're out here in Las Vegas. We're always coming out here too. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.